Hello everyone, this is Violeta, your instructor. Today I'm going to show you how to find the general education plans that you will need to know for your assignment. So I will tell you that you will need to go to the Santa Ana College website, and that would be sac.edu. And then you will see the front page right here, the home page of the website. You will go to menu, and you can see there's so many options here, but what you're looking for right now for this assignment is the college catalog. So we're going to click on that. And then you're going to see there's different types of catalogs here. So every year, Santa Ana College and other community colleges post a class catalog. They publish a catalog every year. And the one you're going to be looking at is the most current year. So you can see you have three options here. You can do two ways. You can either do more of the web-based one, or if you prefer a PDF file, you can also click on that. And it'll just show it as a catalog form on the PDF file. But for my purposes today, I'm going to show you how to use the first one here that says 2023-2024 catalog. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show you how to search for them. And I'm going to just expand this here for you so you can see where I'm going with this. So you can see here that there's so many options that you can look through. The Santa Ana College class catalog has everything. It has all the academic calendars for the year. It has the policies, admissions, and registration information, degrees, certificates, and transfer planning, which you will be using a lot of. And there's also student resources, student life, and so much more that you can search on this catalog. So this is going to be your go-to for any questions that you might have at the college. And it's nice to have because it's accessible online and you don't have to go into an office to find that information. Of course, if you do have questions, you are encouraged to contact those offices, and all that information is on these pages. So for this purpose, we're going to be looking for the general education plans. And then we're going to click here where it says degrees, certificates, and transfer planning. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see all the information under the degrees, certificates, and transfer planning. So where you're going to be looking at, you are welcome to look at all this information because it is all important. But for this assignment, I will like you to focus just on the general education requirements that you are hopefully planning to follow once you go into the college and pick your classes. So you're going to see here, they're a little tricky to find, but if you see here, here's our first one. There are three of them. So they are labeled as Plan A, Plan B, and then there's a Plan C. So again, the only way you're going to find out which one is for you is by going through each one and determining which one is going to give you the best planning for your academic goal. So whether it's for just a 2-year degree, which is the associate degree, or if you're thinking about transferring to a Cal State University, or if you're not sure and you're still thinking between a Cal State University or a UC University, then this would probably be the best one for you. But again, it would all depend on what you're planning to study. And of course, you have to look that up as well. But you can see here that you can find all that information here and all the other documents that I have posted on Module 1. You could see all the major and all the academic pathways on that student planning guide. But for now, these are the ones that you would pick, one of these three. And I'll just show you the first one and you're going to see how it comes up. And this can be printed out. You can export the page as a PDF file and you can save it. So you don't necessarily have to be online to review it. You can export it, you can print it, you can save it on a flash drive, and then you can take your time reading it. But you can see there's a lot of information here, but this is something we already went over in the first module. So go back and look at that if you're still not sure, but this is how you would find them. If you have any questions, let me know and I will email you back, and hopefully we can get you started on the right path.